The RSD-D is a dual-module level rapid shutdown device developed by AP Systems. It can be connected to two PV modules simultaneously, and it is also compatible with high-current, high-power modules. It complies with the SunSpec RSD standard, NEC Rapid Shutdown Code standards, and UL 3741 requirements, providing safety protection for the PV systems. The APsmart Rapid Shutdown device has gained global recognition for its excellent reliability, with over 6 million units shipped. During a PV system emergency, the transmitter loses power and stops sending signals. Once the RSD detects the absence of the signal, it will quickly trigger the shutdown and immediately cut off the connection between each module, causing the voltage of the system array to drop rapidly below 80 volts within 30 seconds, effectively eliminating the high DC voltage risks. The APsmart Rapid Shutdown solution mainly consists of two parts: the RSD receiver RSD-D on PV module side, and the transmitter outdoor kit on string inverter side. First, let's install the RSD-D product. It comes with two types of brackets, the classic bracket and the universal bracket, fitting PV module frames of various specifications. When the width of the module frame is less than 13 millimeters, use the universal bracket and secure it with thumb screws. If the frame width is 13 millimeters or more, use the classic bracket to quickly mount the product on the module frame. One RSD-D can connect two PV modules. When wiring, follow the principle of connecting positive to positive and negative to negative, and connect input 1 first, then input 2 to ensure correct circuit connectivity. The RSD-D's input cable is 500 millimeters long by default, and the DC cable should fit connection needs. Also, ensure the bending radius of the cable near the casing must be greater than 50 millimeters. Moreover, use the same Dash brand connectors between the RSD-D and PV junction box for electrical compatibility. The connection between RSD-D products is very simple. Just connect each RSD-D output positive-negative connectors to each other in series, become a string. Similarly, after the wiring of multiple strings is completed, connect the positive and negative cables of each string to the string inverter through the transmitter outdoor kit to form a PV array. Multiple PV arrays work together to build a complete PV system. When installing the RSD-Ds, it is recommended to uniformly arrange them on the outer side of the module array. When laying out the modules, reserve a longitudinal spacing of 15 to 20 centimeters between every two rows to optimize the heat dissipation and simplify maintenance. The RSD-D uses PLC communication with a max transmission distance of 800 meters. That is, the length of a single string loop should stay within this limit. Considering external interference, keep single loop length within 600 meters. In addition, to ensure stable communication, the positive and negative cables of the same PV string should be kept in parallel with the minimum spacing and placed in the same cable tray. To independently shut down each inverter's module array, configure separate DC cable trays for each inverter and maintain over 20 centimeters between adjacent module arrays. If only the unified shutdown function of the entire system needs to be achieved, the DC cable trays of the inverter array can be shared, but the transmitter-PLC-Plus should be selected.